The 75-year lifespan of ESCAP very much mirrors the 75-year journey of transformation in Asia and the Pacific. It is a journey that sees millions of people being lifted out of poverty and of the region becoming the powerhouse of growth and innovation.
ESCAP has contributed in bringing countries together of our region, cross-country in our region, with its diversity, with its differences in achievement and challenges, to move forward together.
With the very presence of the UN in the region over the past 74 years, ESCAP has a fundamental role in advancing the social and economic development of Asia and the Pacific.
So the concept of a network, the concept of sharing lessons learned from one part of Asia which is more developed to other parts of Asia which was still developing, was a very new concept, and all credit goes to UN ESCAP for making it happen.
ESCAP has done a good job during the last 74 years. The role of ESCAP has been and will continue to be reducing the friction to cooperation among the ESCAP members.
So ESCAP is a valuable platform where international cooperation can address big regional challenges and promote consensus-based sustainable recovery and development.
I think the positioning of ESCAP is one that allows it both leverage as well as access. And I think that's really what we need to build on.
What I expect from ESCAP is that, especially in supporting the member states in pushing this what I call as a localization of SDGs, Sustainable Development Goals, because Sustainable Development Goals basically cannot be achieved if we don't work at the local level.
As a region, we are so used to look outside the region for support and help and innovation. And I think that it is time that the region should look more within its boundaries to help one another.
We have already seen some examples where countries, regardless of how poor or how rich they are, they've had something to give to other countries during the crisis.
But we need to continue is to make researches and help to our governments and to our region to identify what the real needs that we have today and what the real resources and real opportunities that we can implement today and now, and who are the main stakeholders who can be our partners in these processes.
So I really want ESCAP to be one of the lead UN agencies to work on the implementation of the SDGs and going forward.
UN ESCAP plays a critical role as a regional entity, tries to work with to make sure that from a country perspective they get the best service and best support that they can get from both their own regional entities like us and from the global community through UN ESCAP.
We have focused on the urgency to take strategic action today to bring about a brighter tomorrow.
I think regional partnerships and collaborations as such could play a critical role in building effective synergies to ensure our plans are implemented.
And although there is still a lot of work to be done, some of the numbers of the past 75 years indicate successes that will go down in history.
ESCAP will continue to play a key role on coordinating Asia-Pacific cooperation, on promoting digital connectivity to bridge the digital divide, for digital transformation and sustainable development in the region.
It is in particular amongst the most vulnerable and marginalized in our societies and economies that the UN is counted upon to act. And it is for improving their standard of living that I go to work for ESCAP every day.